Alright, it's cold in my neck of the woods today. It's probably about, I'd say 40 degrees when I got up this morning. Had to run up on the hill and get my phone charger. But I think today'd be a good day for lasagna soup or something. So get our handy dandy soup pot out there. We need 1 pound of burger. I like to use 1 pound of hot Italian sausage, but you don't need it. We'll need an onion. Never really noticed that till I started hanging out with you guys. But you use onions just about as much as potatoes, don't you? Put those in with our burger meat and our sausage. 3 cloves of garlic. All right, now we're gonna put this on the stove and cook it off. Okay, now we gotta snap our noodles up. This part here kind of stinks. I'd imagine you could use bow ties. Probably wouldn't look as nice though on your finished product. Oops. Alright, so we got our noodles broke up into manageable pieces. Now, we're going to get our cheese ready so we can put it in our soup when we get done. So we got a cup of ricotta. We need a cup of mozzarella. And I've got a Romano Parmesan blend we're going to use too. This will all be spooned in when we get done. Kitchen is hot today, got me sweating. Alright, now we've got our cheese blend ready. We're going to chop us up some fresh basil. Place that on the board. And we're going to need a good handful of spinach. That's all our prep work. I'll move you guys over to the pot and we'll get started assembling this thing. Okay, for our soup, we're going to need 2 quarts of chicken stock. I used the bone broth. They all got vegetables. They all taste about the same. I just like these better. Now we got a can of fire roasted tomatoes. We got a can of Italian seasoned tomatoes. Give me a free stick in that one. And got 2 jars of ragu. These are just jars of marinara. Well, actually, they're 2 different kinds. We're going to bring this to a boil. Then we're going to add our noodles, our seasonings, our greens, and a little bit of half and half or heavy cream. I can't remember what we have. Now that we're back to a boil, we're going to add our noodles. You might want to wear safety glasses while breaking those up. All right, we're going to add a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. We're going to put in our spinach and fresh basil and give it a stir. And probably be ready to eat in about 15 minutes as soon as the noodles get done. Got about 5 minutes left at this point. We're going to add some, I got half and half. You can use cream, milk, whatever, until it turns a orange color. Probably about half a cup, I'd say. And the cream, it'll help cut the acidity of the soup a lot. Okay, about 5 minutes. We'll plate up and see how it's turned out. Well, our soup looks and smells great. Get some of the cheese on there. That's lasagna. But I like to add the extra chicken stock for evaporation and for the noodles for when they soak up all the fluid. So you probably don't have to add that much. This is one of them soups you can add anything to. Mushrooms are great in it. I've even had pepperoni in it. It's real good.